Hello everyone and welcome back to Destined Learning. In this video we're going to take a look at why you'd want to learn to program in Java. Let's go ahead and get started. Java is a versatile and widely used programming language. It's ideal for web applications, mobile apps, and enterprise systems. It offers reliability, platform independence, robust security, and strong performance. Java's object-oriented nature and extensive community support make it a valuable skill with long-term job prospects. Java's platform independence, known as write once, run anywhere, allows Java code to run on any device with a JVM. This cross-platform capability is ideal for large organizations and developers, enabling seamless application development across environments without the need to learn new languages. Java's OOP models real-world entities as objects, breaking down complex problems. Key principles include inheritance, polymorphism, abstraction, and encapsulation. Beginners benefit from clear syntax, while experienced developers appreciate its flexibility for large-scale systems. Java offers strong performance and scalability. It balances performance and ease of development with efficient memory management and optimized bytecode execution. Java is widely used across industries like finance, healthcare, and mobile development. Learning Java opens up doors to mobile app development, big data, AI, and cloud computing. Java developers are in high demand, earning competitive salaries. Major corporations like Google, Amazon, and LinkedIn rely on Java for their back-end systems. Java has a vibrant community with abundant resources, tutorials, and forums. This support helps newcomers find help and stay updated. Additionally, Java's long history provides extensive learning materials like books and online courses, allowing individuals to learn at their own pace and become proficient. In summary, Java is a versatile and widely used programming language. Its platform independence, object-oriented design, strong performance, and scalability make it ideal for various applications. Java skills are in high demand, and its vast community offers extensive learning resources. Learning Java can lead to a successful career in technology. Well, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for joining me. If you like this video, please click the thumbs up button. And if you'd like to see more videos like this, please consider subscribing to my channel. Well, that's it for now. I'll see you in another video soon. Bye-bye.